Draw and earn $30,000. One of the simplest and most convenient YouTube ideas is drawing. This idea is very good for women. All you have to do is to draw special drawings. Try to draw with others. Make a difference. Woodworking. You can make wooden items and sell them to your YouTube viewers. You just have to start making videos. Just remember to put a warning before the video so that YouTube doesn't catch you. You won't have any problems with this idea because with wood, you are something new. You create. You will reach $500,000 per month in less than 4 months. The secret of this idea is that you don't make table and chair making tutorials like others. You have to make strange things. Remember that you have to make at least 100 videos to achieve results.